So hello everybody. Today we're talking a little bit about the Summer Public Interest Fellowship, or SPIF. It's a valuable opportunity where we help fund our students to go off and do public interest experiential work over the course of their summers. And I have with me today Olivia Riggs, one of our SPIF fellows and a bright star here at the College of Law. So Olivia, would you mind telling us a little bit about your SPIF fellowship and the way that it benefited you?
Absolutely. First of all, thank you guys for having me here. A little bit about my time with the SPIF internship or fellowship. I got to work at the Hamilton County Public Defender's Office last summer, and it was a great experience. I got to work was supervised under Maggie Stork, who's the director of the Hamilton County Public Defender's Office. I also got to sit second chair on a trial, and I got to shadow different attorneys that worked at the Hamilton County Public Defender's Office. Through the SPIF program, the Hamilton County Public Defender's Office is unpaid, and so I got to get paid for the summer, and that really helped with buying a new computer, helping with different expenses that often aren't covered when public interest internships don't pay interns. And so it was really an opportunity for me to not only do what I want to do and what I plan on going into once I graduate from law school, but to do something and still get paid for it.
Well, thank you, Olivia. I really appreciate that. And it is stories like Olivia's and dozens like that every single year is the reason that we have increased our funding for the SPIF fellowships from 50 students a year to 65. And we have used Klekamp money for that, and deeply grateful to the Klekamp family for their contributions. But we need more help because the need is much greater than the supply, and the need for students is much greater than the number of fellowships that we can offer. And the amount that we offer has not increased in many years. So we would really appreciate your support during the UC Law Day of Giving to give to the SPIF Fellowship and help students like Olivia and many others both serve their community in vitally important ways and develop the really important experiential learning skills that they need in order to be consummate professionals from day one after graduation. Thank you.